Standing here looking at how much this is beat down from deer bedding here. Some fresh air sign, some real old sign. They apparently just bed here pretty much all the time. Look to my left and boom. That's how that's supposed to work, right? I mean, look at it here. As you can hear, we're pretty close to the interstate. Looks like an early drop from this year and getting whitened out already. Another 3-point side. So next one makes 110. And it's gonna be a nice day today, so I don't know how long we'll keep after this, but we're gonna look for a while. Just found that other one back this hillside here a little bit, and looks like I walked up on an old one. This is 110. I've walked likely right past this one, just right out there, for at least 2 years now, it looks like. Pretty chewed up. Yeah, been there for a couple of years. It's okay, we got him now. Cool. Boy, it's getting a little warm out now. Straight down there the hill there is where I found them other two. Up here, coming along. Old spike. No, I think it's a spike. Yep, called a spike. Huh. I've pretty much walked right over top of that one too. Oh well. Like I said, we got them now, so can't find them all usually. Been a little bit working this steep hillside here, just dropping off in this corner, big trail. Got another old one. Nothing but pretty much walnuts on this hillside, so I wasn't sure about it. But it does get all the sun. Been here a couple of years, it looks like. It's okay, we'll toss them in the pack.